Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can unmute your group chat, or you wanna now chat with your friends and you are never getting any notification, so you want to unmute that chat. So let's get started. I can show you how you can do it. Open up the Messenger app and then go to that group chat and then swipe it to the left, and then you will get more option over here. Click on that and then you will see the second option called unmute. So once you have click on that, your message or the group will be unmuted. So that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.